Oh, yours goes like way up. Oh, yours is the other way than mine is. Oh, I got fish.
God damn already.
Do you have my net? Ooh. I'm gonna loosen my drag a little bit. Oh my God. I almost just took my barrels off. Or my whatever off.
Bring that swan over here. Over here.
What?
Okay, well, he's on.
Yo, why is my thing so angled down? I gotta fix my John. So
Joe played or not?
maybe.
Oh, he might be.
Yeah, he's a little small. Oh my gosh, why is he so slimy?
Got it.
Oh, I'm like right in his nostril. Yo, what? Got it. Got it, chill. Stop, monkey. Ew, why is he puking? Oh my gosh, why is he full of line?
It's your line.
Is it? There we go. One on the board.
Yeah. I haven't even got to grab my rod.
This towel's coming in clutch.
Yeah. I didn't even get to touch that one, so I'm good.
Dude, I just want to hear that catfish rod just go brrrr.
Yeah, I've got the catfish rod over there.
Oh, we're fishing for bass, by the way.
Yep. The boogie monster.
What was that?
That was a bird.
That was scary.